Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a Shein unboxing. The concept here is pretty much simple. Actually, I received this box, and I'm planning to unbox it here with you. So, if you're ready for this, let's start! First thing that I touched is this hairband right here. I'm like, oh my god, it's so cute. Can you see there is one white bow here and one pink bow here? I'm planning to use to hold my hair back for when I'm doing makeup, and actually I wanna wear it right now because it's so soft and I wanna try it. What do you think about the headband? Isn't it cute? I'm planning to continue my video like this because I really like it and I really wanna look at it every now and then. I mean, it's so cute, it fits me so greatly. Next thing is these rhinestones. I'm not sure how clearly you can see them. I'm gonna try to open one slot to show you what we are. Oh my god, I had it on my face. Okay, I don't know if this is more clear for you. I hope it is. And I think that I can do a lot of looks with these. We continue with eyelashes, and not only one box, two boxes of colorful eyelashes, and not only colorful but also some duochromes. So basically, to be honest, I think that these will be huge on my eyes. I'm so curious to try them. I have tried the lashes from Shein one time in the past. They are okay, they're not perfect, they're not mega bad, so I think that I'm gonna like these ones as well, and especially if you consider the price, I think that they are value for money. Next, I'm gonna talk about earrings and specifically these cuties right here. So if you can see, they are like plushies. Actually, they have that velvety touch, but they are not squeezable. Is this such a word, squeezable? Anyway, you cannot squeeze them, they are quite hard. But tell me how cute they are. How cute they are. I'm gonna wear them immediately because from the time that I saw them, I fell in love with them, and to be honest, I was expecting them so much, like more than anything else in this order. So what's your opinion about them? Would you wear earrings like these? We continue with some face gems. Actually, I haven't tried face gems from Shein again. I have tried only from Killstar. I was quite happy with them. The glue lasts like for 1 to 2 applications, then you need to add your own glue. Hopefully they will work the same. Actually, this is the style LZ63 and this one is LZ06. The LZ06 is a very nice black and dark for more goth looks. You know how much I love goth looks. And the other one, LZ63, is more sparkly for more festival looks, I would say. Both of them are very nice and I'm really looking forward to try them as well. Let's continue with a choker, and this is right here. Actually, it's not very good quality, but to be honest, I only want it for some photo shoots and some video shoots, so I think that for this purpose, it's gonna be okay. I love the black heart. I see some very bad stuff on this heart, like it's scratched already. I just took it off from the plastic, but as I said, I don't expect very good quality with just €1 or something, so I'm gonna use it quite a few times for photo shoots and I will be very happy with it. Let's move on, and the next item, or actually bundle, is this set right here. Actually, to be honest, I don't even remember what it contains, so we will find out together. Let's see, the first thing that I'm dragging out are some tiny leaves. Oh my god, look at them! Can you... Wait, I'm gonna remove the plastic. Can you see them? They're duochrome. Wow! Like, I'm very impressed with the first item from here. Let's continue. You first, and then I will see. Okay! Here we have 4 glitters. I don't think that these are suitable to be used on the eye area, but okay, we can use them on the face, on the body, and they will be fine actually. Let me see the colors. I'm struggling to open it, that's why I'm keep talking here. Okay, I did it. So here we have a very nice teal one, very nice color, and to be honest, I wanted one glitter like that. Then we have a pinkish silver, this one right here. Then we have a black, Yeah, very nice black. And I also wanted one black glitter in my collection. Yeah, now I can understand why I bought like duochromes and black glitter. What else? And the last glitter here is a very nice silver one. Let's go to the next item from the bundle. So here we have, oh, more glitter, look at them. Here we have some kind of plastic containers with glitter, so let me show them to you. Okay, they come into a very nice and luxurious, I would say, case. So you can see all the different colors here, from dark blue to light blue to this chunky glitter. I'm very impressed from this bundle. I think that I paid around 12 euros and I think that it was the most expensive item in my basket, but I definitely do not regret buying it. Next we have from the same bundle again some stars, if you can see them. Very impressive stuff. Oh, one left from the box and one is on my finger, so I think that you can see it better if I do that. I don't know. Camera, focus, perfect. Let me put it back and then I will continue with the container of this mystery bag nowadays, because really I don't remember what's inside. Oh, next we have some rhinestones, like tiny rhinestones but still rhinestones. I'm gonna show it to you. A lot of colors again, nothing extremely special, but you know, it's always very good to have more of these. Personally, I'm using them a lot, so they're perfect. Oh, a tweezer for false lashes, if you can see here. Very useful, I would say. Kinda irrelevant with the rest of the bundle, but okay, why not? And here we have some black stones. Oh my god, you will be very excited to see them. Look, they're not only black, they are kinda black rainbowish, I would say. Oh, looking really forward to try these specifically. Do we have anything else? No, and that was it with the bundle. We continue with two fake leather chokers, so both of them are so cute. One is black and pink and the other one is only pink. I feel that both of them are fitting so much to the whole e-girl, gothy girl concept that I'm working on these days, that I really embrace in my life, and I feel that they will match in a lot of videos that I'm doing. I'm gonna continue with more rhinestones, and actually here I have 3 more packages. The first one is a little bit more neon, a little bit more to the cold side, if you can see it clearly. The second one has kind of more unique shape, so you see the green here, you see the light blue here. They're amazing, they inspire me so much, and actually if you don't want to miss any of the future makeups that I'm planning to do using this amazing stuff that I'm getting today, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to make sure that you will receive every notification for future videos. And here we go with the third one. As you can see, the gems here are pretty much simple, but these are the kind of gems that I'm using all the time, so why not having it? We continue with these 2 flowers right here. First of all, this one, it contains colorful spheres, I would say, with holographic design, and it's kind of unfortunate because I would prefer them to be semi-spheres since I cannot really use the whole spheres. But I don't know, I think that if I have a very sharp knife, I might be able to cut them. I do not recommend this to you. I'm very good at creating accidents for myself. You know why? You don't need these accidents in your life. And let's go to the next flower here. Actually, this one contains little flowers and butterflies. So I'm gonna show you one flower and one butterfly to understand what I'm talking about. If I can open it, it's so difficult. Okay, so flowers like this one. Okay, you can see here. I think that I can glue them with normal lash glue on my skin and create, you know, some 3D effects, some more cool stuff. And the butterflies are looking like this. So these were pretty much my flowers. We continue with two pairs of earrings. First of all, we have this one right here. Oh my god, they are so cute. So they are fake alcohol bottles, and although that I'm not a big alcohol fan, I do not drink alcohol a lot in my life, I find them very beautiful, so I decided to buy them. These blue are the Haute Marché. My French is not there, okay, I know that. I know, like, I studied French when I was 13 and then I stopped, and that's the whole French experience in my life. And the second pair here is pretty much the same, but in pink. Look how cute they are! And these are Cabernet Sauvignon. What do you have to say here? I know that I said it better than the previous one. So basically they are the same concept, and I think that they will fit a lot of more playful makeups that I will do. So yeah, I can't wait to wear them. Next, I will show you a glitter picking tool. This one right here, let me unbox it for you. So that's the silicone tool that I'm talking about. Basically, if you have used a glue gun, this is the refill that you're using in order to produce the glue. To be honest, I sharpened a little bit this tip because it used to be flat like this one, but I feel that if I have that specific tip, it's gonna be more helpful for me when I'm picking my glitter and place it on my face. So I just used a normal sharpener. You can do it if you want. I actually kept this one just in case that I'm gonna use big chunks of glitter and this is not gonna be big enough. I feel that it's gonna be useful, but to be honest, if I knew from before that it's exactly the same material from the glue gun, I probably would not have purchased it. But yeah, it is what it is. I will enjoy it, and then I might not purchase one again if I need more. More earrings. So here we have these black hearts in a silverish background. I feel that they are quite unique, but at the same time versatile, because in my mind they were kinda goth, but when I saw them, I understood that I can fit them with a lot of different outfits and styles. Normally, I love silver instead of gold, and that's why I chose them. I have some golden jewelry just in case, but I do not really like them, to be honest. I will continue with some more face jewelry, and here I have these two. Both of them are iridescent. In this packaging we can find some moons, hearts, stars, and the general, gem. And here we can find some bigger stars and some bigger hearts. I think that they are amazing. I know that they will perform well, and if you want the codes, the stars with the hearts is LZ27, while the mixed one is Z005. Next earrings are again related to food and drinks, so we continue with these here. These are the coffee edition, the cold Greek frappe, as we used to say, and they even have straws and the eyes, and oh my god, I think that they're gonna be my favorite, especially for the summer, because I enjoy my coffee exactly like this. They are mega cute. I love them. Like, all of the food related earrings, necklaces, everything are really talking to me. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Inspired by the previous earrings with the coffee theme, today I want to tell you the Greek word for coffee. So in Greece we say kafes. Say with me, kafes, kafes. As always, I'm gonna tell you to try to write a comment down below using the word cafes, or actually tell me cafes in your own native language. We continue with some more face pearls right here. I think that you might recognize this, as it's the second time that I'm buying it, so it contains different sizes of pink, purple and blue and silver that you cannot really see right now, pearls. It's very good, the adhesive is nice, I'm using it a lot, that's why I bought the second one. This code is ZC1. Let's go to the next one. So these are like fake water drops. I loved it. When I saw it, I'm like, wow, endless possibilities. Spoiler alert, sea creatures. A lot of sea creatures, especially mermaids. I really don't wanna spoil future concepts a lot, but I'm planning to do a mermaid since I'm living very, very close to the lake, and I feel that these are gonna be ideal. And not only these as well, because oh my god, they're blue, they're shiny. I don't want anything more to be happy, to be very content and find the life meaning, you know? Ready for the next pair of earrings? So here we have the Halloween, the bats. I think that these are perfect not only